Same thing here. Watch here. Here, do not pull. Here, land with power. Make an adjustment. You're solid. Then grind your toes. Pick up. Okay. Now do that stationary here. Move your dantian a little bit to find it in the middle, and then do this. When you do this, and this hand do this, do the same with your feet. Do the same with here. Here. Do the same with your dantian. And a lot of that. And the only thing that's not moving is your front foot and your front calf. A block. Something like this here. Yeah, this will do. And this will do. So your foot is like this here, and now make sure in the right place. So at this point here, if you have the wrong forward move, it starts to do this. You can see it. If you are moving the other way, it does this. So when you put something like a styrofoam, so that when you squeeze it, you can see the indentation. When you're too loose, it drops. Because the knee must be stationary without moving. So this one actually works. Ray, use that.
Bunch of it.
So there are a few of them, and you can use them because they're not very strong. They won't go in, they won't hurt the wall. So use that to train it.